Limited edition Tiger's Blood flavor from Glaxon, pre-workout, pump, and a sleep aid. Let's start with the pre-workout. Very light watermelon and coconut, mostly strawberry here, with a hint of those vitamins as usual. Now let's go pump. Alright, I'm getting more coconut here with a hint of saltiness, a little bit of watermelon, a little bit of strawberry, but I like this. And lastly, we have the sleep aid. This one is definitely the most well balanced between watermelon, strawberry, and coconut. It's nice and sweet, but that coconut does smooth it out, and overall, it might be my favorite sleep aid flavor. And even though that these are all Tiger's Blood flavor, it does go to show that each individual ingredient does affect the overall flavor.